I'm Jane Stecker. I'm president of the board of Spring Creek Condos.
I am Becky Hinkle. I work for Washington Properties, which is the management company that manages Spring Creek Condos.
Huge project. It was done over 2 summers. I think probably the biggest challenge we had was communicating to the people what was exactly going on, what we were doing, when they had to move their cars, when they could be in their garage. The communication was the hardest by far. Communication was excellent this year. They learned through last year. We had a meeting at the end of the year of what went right, what did not go right, and they listened. They listened intently to what we said, and everything that we suggested to improve was improved. Notices were put on doors. They were different colors for different kinds of notices, so that, you know, once you saw a pink notice on your door, if you saw a green notice, you knew it was something different. That was the easiest way for us to communicate with all the residents. This year, Brian from Black Diamond would email both Becky and I nightly as to what the progress was, what the plan was for the next day, what was the plan for the rest of the week, so that if we needed to communicate with the residents, we could. If there were any changes, those were emailed to us.
I work with lots of contractors, different types of contractors. I mean, I have worked with other asphalt contractors, roofers, you know, all types of different contractors. And I have to say that Black Diamond is different in that I don't have to babysit them. Working with a lot of different contractors, communication is always an issue, and it definitely was not with Black Diamonds.